PeekABoo Farm, animal sounds for kids. Hi everyone and welcome to the farm. Did you hear that? It sounded like an animal. I wonder what's inside. Let's say PeekABoo. Maybe he'll come out. 1, 2, 3. PeekABoo! What animal is that? It's a horse. A horse. It's a horse. I see a brown horse. There's a baby horse. The woman's riding the horse. There's something inside. Let's have a look. What animal is that? A pig. It's a pig. That pig's in the mud. There's some baby pigs. I see 3 little pigs. Look, that pig is black. I hear an animal. PeekABoo! What animal is that? It's a goat. A goat. Look, there's a little goat and a big goat. That goat is eating. Let's feed the goats. I see 1 goat. I see 2 goats. Look, there's something inside. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a cow. A cow. That cow is black and white. I see a baby cow. There's the mommy cow. Let's feed the baby cows. They're drinking milk. What's that? What animal is that? It's a sheep. I hear a sheep. There's lots of sheep over there. Look, baby sheep. Those are lambs. I see lots of white sheep. We saw lots of animals in the barn. Now we'll go to the hayfield. There's a truck. Let's go see the animals at the hayfield. Do you hear that? There must be something in there. I hear an animal. I wonder what it is. Let's say PeekABoo. 1, 2, 3. PeekABoo! What animal is that? It's a dog. Look, a dog is in the hay. I see 2 puppies, 2 baby dogs. There's a dog. I see another dog. Oh, look, there's something in there. What animal is that? A turkey. I see a turkey. I see 3 turkeys. A turkey is a big bird. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a donkey. A donkey. Let's feed the donkey. The donkey's eating. The donkey's in the field. Look, there's an animal. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a llama. Look, a llama. A mommy llama and a baby llama. I see 3 llamas. That llama is black and white. I hear an animal. What animal is that? It's a chicken. I see a chicken and 4 eggs. There's a baby chicken. That's called a chick. I see chickens. Let's go to the garden now. I bet we'll see lots of animals in the garden. I wonder if any will eat carrots. Let's find some vegetables. The garden. It sounds like there's an animal. I wonder what's in there. Let's say PeekABoo. 1, 2, 3. PeekABoo! What animal is that? It's a rabbit. There's a rabbit in the garden. I see a little rabbit. There's a white rabbit. Wow, there's so many rabbits. Do you hear that? I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a mole. Wow, a mole. They live underground. That mole is digging. That mole is digging. It's a little black mole. Did you hear that? The puppy's digging something. I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a chipmunk. Look, a chipmunk. It's so little. That chipmunk is eating. He has a snack. Hi, chipmunk. I wonder what that is. What animal is that? It's a hedgehog. Look, a hedgehog. A hedgehog has little quills. Aww, it's so sweet. It's a little hedgehog. What is that? There's something near the carrots. Wow, what animal is that? It's a snake. A snake. I see a little snake. Whoa, that's a big snake. There's a green snake. I see a snake. What's that? PeekABoo. What animal is that? It's an armadillo. Wow, it's an armadillo. Now let's go to the flower garden. Something is in that bush. I wonder what it is. Let's say PeekABoo. 1, 2, 3. PeekABoo. What animal is that? It's a hummingbird. A hummingbird drinks nectar. There's a hummingbird. That hummingbird is green and blue. I see a hummingbird. Oh, look. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a butterfly. Wow, a butterfly. I see a blue butterfly. There's so many butterflies. Be gentle. There's something in that bush. What animal is that? It's a snail. A snail. A snail has a hard shell. I think I hear something. What animal is that? It's a spider. A spider. Wow. I see a spider in a web. There's a little spider. Hello, little spider. He's waving. Do you hear that? It sounds like an animal. What animal is that? It's a ladybug. A little red ladybug. Ladybugs have little wings. They can fly. That ladybug's drinking. I see 2 ladybugs. I wonder if something's in that bush. What animal is that? It's an ant. An ant. I see 2 red ants. Hi, ants. Wow. Oh, look. I see apples. We must be in the orchard now. Let's go to the orchard. The orchard has lots of apple trees at this farm. Shall we pick an apple? Let's go to the orchard. Did you hear that? Let's say PeekABoo. 1, 2, 3. PeekABoo! What animal is that? It's a rooster. I hear a rooster. A rooster is a daddy chicken. There's a rooster. Do you hear something? It's in the orchard. What animal is that? It's a bat. Wow, the bat is upside down. I see 2 bats. Look, there's bats. Hi, bat. There's something in there. What animal is that? It's a squirrel. A squirrel. That squirrel has a snack. He's eating. I see a squirrel. Uh-oh, it's snowing on the squirrel. Do you hear that? I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a rat. A little white rat. That rat is white and gray. That rat's in a shopping cart. Silly rat. What is that? I wonder what's in there. What animal is that? It's a goose. Those geese are noisy. I see a goose. There's a white one. Do you hear that squeaking? What animal is that? It's a guinea pig. A guinea pig. That guinea pig is eating grass. He's getting a bath. Guinea pigs like to eat. Good job finding all the animals with us today at PeekABoo Farm. We'll see you next time.